Namaskar, dear viewers, a very hearty welcome to my new channel, Tet Express. I think all of you are aware of the recent earthquake in Supreme Court regarding TET examination, and you are also aware of the aftershock effects of this Gujarat government, UP government, some other governments applied for repetition or reappeal, whatever they say. I don't know the exact legal terms, but those appeals or petitions were not accepted in single bench of Supreme Court. Alright. So, and all over the country till now, as far as my concern, near about 5 to 6% died due to panic. All teachers who are aged like me are also in panic, those who are not yet qualified. See friends, actually I am creating these channels. We are not specialized in every subject, and here I am not also a teacher, I am just a friend and colleague like you. Though I am TET qualified, I passed the TET, and I am working as a teacher from 1997. We don't know about the NCERT policy or whatever is going to be regarding the privatization of the education industry. We don't know anything. I am thinking about the career of government teachers all over India. So, in this channel, we will discuss critical techniques to solve critical type of questions, and I also expect comments for my mistakes from you. You may know better than me, definitely. We are going to discuss syllabus. We will going to discuss how to solve critical maths within the syllabus in time. So these are all. And at first I wish all of you a very happy Navratri, Shubho Sarodiya, Shubho Vijaya. And let's start. Let's see how can we proceed for the betterment of us. Actually, if I have to compete right now for the TET, once again, I will have to compete with my students who are more enthusiastic, more energetic than me, and I can write as fast as them. So they will definitely, I think, as a teacher, I can tell you, they will definitely get better marks than me in the TET. So we need to practice. Though I am not right now. This time I will not have to appear in TET, but we need our betterment, and I believe in the win-win situation. I don't believe in politics. They are doing their jobs. We let's see the syllabus of CTET, centralized state of primary first, and I will discuss on secondary later. Let me start my computer. Whatever written here, this is the syllabus of CTET 2018. Paper 1, in primary stage, syllabus, child development and pedagogy, 30 questions, and regarding child development, by concept of development and its relationship with learning, principles of the development of children, the influence of heredity and environment, 15 questions will be there. 15টা কোশ্চেন থাকবে, আপনারা এটা তো নেটে পেয়েই যাবেন। কনসেপ্ট অফ ইনক্লুসিভ এডুকেশন অ্যান্ড আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং চিলড্রেন উইথ স্পেশাল নিডস, এখানে 5খানা কোশ্চেন থাকবে, সাবজেক্টগুলো দিয়ে দেওয়া রয়েছে। অ্যাড্রেসিং লার্নার্স ফ্রম ডাইভার্স ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডস ইনক্লুডিং ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজ অ্যান্ড ডিপ্রাইভড, অ্যাড্রেসিং দ্য নিডস অফ চিলড্রেন উইথ লার্নিং ডিফিকাল্টিস, impairment, etc., addressing the talented, creative, specially able learners. এরপরে আসছে লার্নিং এন্ড পেডাগজি, এখানে 10টা কোশ্চেন থাকবে। হাউ চিলড্রেন থিঙ্ক অ্যান্ড লার্ন, হাউ অ্যান্ড হোয়াই চিলড্রেন ফেল টু অ্যাচিভ সাকসেস ইন স্কুল পারফরমেন্স, বেসিক প্রসেস অফ টিচিং অ্যান্ড লার্নিং, চিলড্রেন স্ট্র্যাটেজিস অফ লার্নিং অ্যান্ড লার্নিং অ্যাজ এ সোশ্যাল অ্যাক্টিভিটি, সোশ্যাল কনটেক্সট অফ লার্নিং, child as a problem solver and a scientific investigator. Very difficult subjects. These subjects, I think, as far as my knowledge. Alternative conceptions of learning in children, understanding children's error as significant steps in the learning process, cognition and emotions, motivation and learning, factors contributing to learning, personal and environmental. Now about language 1, 30 questions, language comprehension, 50 questions. It is easier because you will get seen, unseen or like that. Grammar and verbal ability, one prose or drama and one with question of comprehension. Let's pedagogy of language development, 15 questions will be there. Subjects of learning and acquisition, principles of language teaching, role of listening and speaking, functions of language and how children use it as a tool, critical perspective on the role of grammar in learning a language for communicating ideas verbally and in written form, challenges of teaching languages in a diverse classroom, language difficulties, error and disorders, language skill, evaluating language comprehension and proficiency, and so on, remedial teaching, etc. I will try to discuss in 3 languages, English, Bengali and Hindi. Though my Hindi, I cannot speak better Hindi than our Chief Minister, so हिंदी में तो भूल होगा ही, लेकिन सीखना तो चाहिए, उसका की माफ कर दीजिए। Language to 30 question comprehension, 2 unseen prose passages, discursive or literacy or narrative or scientific with questions on comprehension, pedagogy of language development, 15 questions, etc. Now about mathematics, 30 questions will be there. Contents are of class 10 level, I think. Geometry, shapes and spatial understanding, solids around us, numbers, addition and subtraction, multiplication, division, measurement, weight, time, volume, data handling, patterns, money, etc. Pedagogical issues. This is the primary syllabus. Pedagogical issues, nature of mathematics, logical thinking, understanding children's thinking and reasoning patterns, and strategies of making meaning and learning. Actually, psychological part of mathematics, I think. Place of mathematics in curriculum, language of mathematics, community mathematics, evaluation through formal and informal methods, problem of teachings, error analysis and related aspects of learning and teaching, diagnostic activity of teaching, etc. Now about EVS, environmental studies, family, friends, relation, etc. etc. So we will get this on net. I am just going through. This is for the first time I am opening the syllabus, text syllabus. Concept and scope of EVS, significance of EVS, integrated EVS, teaching material aids, problems, etc. So আমরা চেষ্টা করব কিভাবে খুব সহজে কিছু জিনিস করে নেওয়া যায়। আমাদের তো প্রত্যেকেরই বয়স হচ্ছে। আমি একটা অঙ্কের উদাহরণ দিয়ে প্রথম ভিডিওটা করব, দেখা যাক। So friends, let us start a simple mathematical problem. Factorize this number or মৌলিক উৎপাদকে বিশ্লেষণ করো। $105 crore 49,65,600. Let us start factorizing in traditional method. Let's see how much time we spent. 0 0. At first we need to see whether it is an odd number or even number. This is an even number, so we can divide by 2. 5 2 7 4 8 2 8 0 0. Again by 2. This is the smallest prime number. 2 6 3 7 4 1 4 0 0. 2 হচ্ছে সবথেকে ছোট মৌলিক সংখ্যা, সেই জন্য আমরা প্রথমে 2 দিয়ে নিয়ে যাচ্ছি। ট্র্যাডিশনাল সিস্টেমে আমরা একদম দেখাচ্ছি। 13 1 8 7 0 7 0 0. Now again by 2. 6 5 9 3 5 35 270 and 0. Now another 2 will come. Two 32 are 64. 9 6 7 6 7 5. Now as there is 5 in ones place, we will divide it by 5. এককের ঘরে 5 আছে, 5 দিয়ে আমরা আবার এটাকে ভাগ করব। 5 দিয়ে ভাগ করলে কি বেরোচ্ছে? 5 6 30, 5 9 3 5 5 5. Another 5 will come. 1 3 1 8 7 0 7. Actually we should know the rules of divisibility. বিভাজ্যতার নিয়মটা আমাদের মাথায় রাখতে হবে. So we will see whether there are other prime numbers. It is divisible by 3. If we add these digits, we will find that it is divisible by 3. 3 দিয়ে ভাগ করছি 9 5 6 9. Another 3 times 3 14 6 5 2 3. I think another 3 will come. 3, let's see. 48 8 4 1. Now is it divisible by 7? We'll have to see. What about 7? 7 6 42 4 8. No, it's not divisible by 7. 7 দিয়ে বিভাজ্য হচ্ছে না. তাহলে we'll find next prime number whether it is divisible by 11. No, it is not also divisible by 11. Let's see about 13. Another 13 will come. Let's see. 13 2s are now we have got 289. It is the square of 17. This is the traditional method. It has taken near about 5 to 6 minutes. Let's see how can we solve these questions by how can we solve this very fast. কি করে আরো তাড়াতাড়ি করব আমরা দেখছি. At first we will cross these two 0 and write here 10 square. Now it becomes smaller, and as we did already earlier, we don't want to divide it again by 2 because that time that will take more kilobytes from your phones and my phones too. So let us divide by 4. 4 is a composite number. We will try to divide by composite number. Sorry, I got this 2 0. Even number 13 18 707. Are these digits, the addition of the digits, these digits is divisible by 9? Let's see. 3 and 1 4 and 1 5 and 8 13 and 7 20 plus 27. It is divisible by 9. So we will divide another composite number by 9 and we will get 1465 2 3. Now again by 3. 4 double 8 4 1. Now as we know earlier how we did this, we are not going to divide again by we are not again checking for 7. Directly আমরা 13 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করব। আবার দেখব 13 দিয়ে যাচ্ছে কিনা, না গেলে মাঝখানে আমরা 11 দিয়ে দেখতাম। So the co-prime numbers are 10 square and 2 into 5 whole square, এখানে 2 into 2 প্রাইম ফ্যাক্টরাইজেশন বলেছে, কতগুলো 2 হলো দেখে নেব, একটা দুটো তিনটে চারটে পাঁচটা, 2 to the power 5 into 5 square into 3 তিনটে আছে 3 cube into 13 square and to 17 square. Now this is the easier and it will take less time, this process. So if we get answers multiple, we will get multiple choice questions in TET, we will find little bit, we can see from there also. This is a technique. এইভাবে আমরা যদি করি তাড়াতাড়ি এসে যাবে। আমাদের ডিভিসিবিলিটি নিয়মগুলো মাথায় রাখতে হবে। যদি কারুর কোনো রকমভাবে বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয় ডেফিনেটলি কমেন্ট বক্সে জানাবেন, আর প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব দিস চ্যানেলস and press the bell icon so that you will get notification as earlier as possible. We are going to post our second videos. Till then take care, আবার দেখা হবে। চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবেন কাইন্ডলি। So how did you like my trick in this mathematical problem? If you have watched the video in Facebook, please follow, share and press the like button if you like this video. Hope to meet you very soon. শুভ দীপাবলি আপনাদের সবাইকে। উইশ all of you a very happy Diwali. Till then take care. নমস্কার।